Eagle State Park in northern Center County, Pennsylvania. Where's the launch ramp?
3, 2, 1.
We are here at Bald Eagle State Park in northern Center County.
Did you get your on the hayride, mini jumpers? Get down
They're
here and
doing
get your,
a pumpkin launch today, seeing how far they can launch the pumpkins.
Down there with a big pumpkin. Really appreciate everybody coming out today. Really good time. We're still going to be shooting some more pumpkins here.
There's the PA
Mark is
system,
loading up the air cannon,
which is probably drowning me out. So I'll have to put subtitles in the video.
Make sure you get your 50-50. We're going to be drawing at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. You don't even have to be here. We'll call you. We'll send you the money. Come down and pick it up.
A week ago this would have been gorgeous, but now everything looks all dried out and brown. It's a shame. I love in the fall. The mountains take on a bright cinnamon color, but a week too late for you to be able to see it.
2, 1.
Almost hit the target, Matthew.
Yeah, that was cool.
Pumpkins brought to you by Shep's Farm. 3, 2, 1. This will be shot to your left side there. It's up and away. Oh, got one loaded there. Safety's off. This punk is brought to you by Stress Away Therapeutic Massage. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there was a launch this time. Mark wasn't lying. It went out there pretty far, Tyler. All right, the big 10-incher, the air cannon over there, gets ready for this next pumpkin. I hope they hit the target this time, Zach. Oh, yeah. They tried and tried, but they haven't hit it yet. I think they're just getting it dialed in. They're getting pretty close now. Well, that 10-pound pumpkin could hit it. I don't know what can. I just want to see that fine splinter. Safety off the cannon. 3, 2, 1. So close, about maybe 1 foot over. Alright, next pumpkin sponsored by friends at GT Johnson.
I get my vehicle and I don't.
The spring has been free.
I bring him freaking advance phone. That was just sit there like a
Safety's off.
taking it in.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, he's up high on out there in the water.
There's a festival here today too. See, there's a lot on this side and a lot on that side. In about an hour, they're going to be doing just free throw, launching as many pumpkins as possible. I'm going to try to get that on tape.
Brothers Pizza of Howard. Holy Clay, it's such a nice day out. You got a sunburn on that face. 3, 2, 1. Oh boy.
And here's the grand finale, mass pumpkin firing. Gonna fire tons and tons of pumpkins. Nice. Nice.
Well, Zach, Punkin Chunkin 2022. What do you think?
Oh, excellent day. I think this is the best Punkin Chunkin so far.
I know it's the most beautiful Punkin Chunkin we ever had. I think it's the biggest crowd we ever got. We want to say thank you for everybody that came this year, and thank you for supporting the Howard Volunteer Fire Company and the community and all the vendors that we have. And DCNR Rangers, thank you so much. They left already. Oh, they're on break. Government.
Yes, and they're going to shoot until they're out of pumpkins, so feel free to, hang out, play around, and stuff. And
all the vendors will be here till at least 5. Feel free to support them. If you've seen that one ornament you wanted to get, hurry up and get it. I think it's the last event of the year. Thank you again for coming. Woo.
Well, that was the Punkin Chunkin Festival. They're going to be shooting a few more pumpkins, but you've pretty much seen all that's going to be done.